Do you know what LOL is in French? Today we are going to look at texting in French. Okay, so what I'm going to do is give you a list, actually quite a few abbreviations of texting in French. When you want to say I am sending a text in French, it's envoyer un texto. Let's have a look at the abbreviations, the signification and the translation of it. Let's have a look at this one. À plus, that means later, see you later. À un de ces quatre, see you one of these days. À demain, see you tomorrow. À mon humble avis, in my humble opinion. À mon avis, in my opinion. À tout à l'heure, see you soon. Aujourd'hui, today. Ça y est, that's it. Bien sûr, of course. Bientôt, see you soon. Bisous, kisses, that's my favorite word. Bonjour, hello. Bonsoir, good evening. C'est, it is. Ciné, cinéma. Beaucoup, that means a lot. Chez, at someone's house. C'est une blague. It's a joke. C'est-à-dire, which means coucou, hi or hello. Je suis, I am. C'est pas grave, it doesn't matter. C'est tout, ou c'était, that's all or that was. Descends, come down. D'accord, ok. Désolé, sorry. Dès que possible, as soon as possible, or ASAP. Fin de semaine, end of week or weekend. J'ai, I have. J'ai acheté, I bought. J'ai la haine, I hate. J'étais, I was. Je sais, I know. J'en ai marre, I'm fed up. Je t'aime, I love you. Je vais, I go. Jamais, never. Cadeau, present. Quel, which, what, or which or what. Qui or qu'il, who. Quoi de neuf? What's up? Merci. Thanks. Mort de rire. Laughing out loud. Message. That's a message. Ne sais pas. Don't know. Au. At the or to the. Occupé. Or tu es occupé. Busy, engaged or you busy. Pas de quoi. You're welcome. Peut-être, maybe. Parce que, because. Pourquoi, why. Quand, when. Quelque, some. Quelqu'un, someone. Quelque chose, something. Quelquefois, sometimes. Rien à faire, nothing to do. Rien à signaler, nothing to declare. Rendez-vous, meeting. Rien, nothing. Ça va pas? T'es OK? You OK? Salut, hello or hi. Suis, am. S'il te plaît ou s'il vous plaît, please. T'es, you are. Tout de suite, straight away. Toujours, always. Tout le monde, everybody. Temps, is time or weather. T'étais, you were. Tout, everything. Viens, come. Vas-y, go on. Crois, believe. Il y a, there is, or they are. Okay, that's the end of my list of the texting in French, but if you know any more, let me know and leave a comment. That's it for me. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous. Salut!